Hi students, we are discussing about society and culture in ancient Tamilangam, and especially we are seeing about Sangam age. Okay, so on that period, how was the Chera, Chola and Pandya? They have ruled in our country. Okay, that I mean our Tamil Nadu, that we have seen in last class. Okay, and also minor chieftains, Velil and Kilar, minor chieftains also we have seen. Okay, who are all there? Pari, Kari, Ori, Began, I, Adiman and Nalli. What we have seen about them. Okay, and how they are given the importance to the army and important towns and local administration and all we have seen about in last class, about this and all in last class. So today's class, status about women. Okay, so there was no restriction for women in social life. Okay, so they have learned and wise women. Okay, they are intelligent and also learn, they are allotted to learn also. Okay, so that period 40 women poets had lived in and left began their valuable works. Okay, 40 poets, women poets was there in that period, and they have did 40 works also, valuable works they have given to us. Okay, so marriage was in self choice only, there is no forcement on marriage. Okay, so and கற்பு, that means chastity. Okay, chastity, கற்பு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுக்கு இங்கிலீஷில் chastity அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, that is the highest ritual of women, that is given very important to women. Okay, and son and daughter are treated equally on that period. The shares also in property also given equal only. Okay, next that period the women poets, important women poets are Avvaiyar, Velli Veethayar, Kakkai Padiniyar and Adi Mandiyar and Ponnumudiyar. They are all the important people on that period. Next, the religions and beliefs, what they are in that period in social division. Okay, how was the social division? Okay, so they have prayed Seyon or Murugan, they prayed the Murugan god. Okay, other god also worshipped on during that time. Okay, other god also worshipped on that period, Sangam period, where Sivan, Mayun, that means Vishnu, Indiran, Varunan and Kotravai, these gods also worshipped on that period. Okay, and hero stone also practiced on that period. Okay, what is meant by hero stone? Veerakal, we Tamil we say it in Veerakal. Okay, so those who are participating in a war, they are sacrificing their life with braveness. They are for their remembrance they keep a stone that is called Veerakal. Okay, that also they are worshipped on that period, that practice was there. And Buddhism and Jainism also coexisted on that period. Okay, so in Tamilangam that period castes did not develop. Okay, in did not develop in Tamilagam. Okay, as it in the northern India, compared to northern India, Tamil Nadu, there is no caste system is followed, but Varna system, that means based on occupation. Okay, you are doing this job and you are doing this job, and based on that job they are called. Okay, so that is called Varna system. So that came in Dravidian period in South India. Okay, dress and how was the ornaments? Okay, the rich people wore muslin, silk, fine cotton garments on they have worn on that period. The common people was wore the 2 pieces of cloth made of cotton. So common people used to use a cotton cloth. Okay, so now the Sangam literature refers about the cloth is in a thinner and skin of snake. Okay, that means kalingam. Okay, skin of snake அப்படினா kalingam அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லப்படுது. Okay, that much தின்னர் ஓகேவா அந்த அளவுக்கு தின்னாக இருந்ததா ஓகே ஸோ விமன் அடோர்ட் தேர் ஹேர் பிளேட்ஸ் வித் ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் ஓகே ஸோ தே யூஸ் த flowers on their plates okay both men and women wore a variety of ornaments men also wore ornaments on that period so they made up of gold silver pearls precious stones conch shells and beads okay conch shells means அந்த சின்ன சின்ன ஷெல்லுங்க இருக்கு இல்லையா கடலோரத்தில் கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா அந்த ஷெல்ஸ் ஸோ அண்ட் த பீப்புள் ஃபவுண்ட் யூஸிங் aromatic perfumes also so aromatic perfume also they were used on that period okay they used the music instruments also on that period drums flute and all this and all utilized by that period people that period people Karigalan was a master of 7 notes of music Elisai Vallan he is known as Elisai Vallan okay the singing band was called as Panar and Verlier so singing people is called as Panar and Verlier okay dancing also was there in that period that is that dance is performed by Kanigayar so they are called Kanigayar singers are called Verlier dancers are called Kanigayar and Kooth have you I think so you have seen in a temple festival and all this Kooth that means folk drama was most important cultural practice of the Sangam age this Kooth was practiced in Sangam age okay so they developed the concept of Muttamil that is Iyal Isai Nadagam they have given the importance of the Muttamil that is Iyal Isai and Nadagam we call it as Muttamil so occupation how the occupation was on that period the major occupation of the people were agriculture cattle rearing fishing and hunting and all their main occupation on that period okay beginning in life people lived as a nomadic only after that only they have settled in one place that they did a agriculture okay other craftsmen like carpenter blacksmith goldsmith and potters were also part of the population they also lived in that population okay so most common part of our occupation was farmers okay so they did a full-time job of farming so that means doing the cultivation okay so what was the festival and entertainment people celebrated the several festivals the harvest festival especially harvest festival Pongal and the festival of spring Kartigai were some of them okay and especially on that festival Pongal is the main one okay Indravila was celebrated in the capital so where the king is living that area the Indravila also celebrated over there okay and they have kept lots of games also okay amusement games okay this include dance festival bullfight cockfight dice hunting wrestling and playing in swinging and this and they have kept it on that period okay so children played with the toy cart and with the sand houses made by them okay they played with toy carts and toy carts means the கட்டவண்டி மாதிரி ஓட்டுவாங்க இல்லையா அதுதான் we call it as toy cart sand house மணலில் வந்துட்டு வீடு பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா அதை வந்துட்டு என்ன சொல்லுவோன்னா சாண்ட் ஹவுஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவோம் நீங்கள் கூட மணல் கொட்டியிருந்தால் அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக ஹோல்ஸ் போட்டு போட்டு அப்படியே இந்த சைட்லேருந்து அந்த சைடு போவீங்க இல்லையா லைக் தட் ஓகே அதை தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம் சாண்ட் ஹவுஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவோம் ஸோ தே பிளே லைக் த கேம்ஸ் லைக் திஸ் ஓகே trade how was the trade on that period trade existed at three levels the trade was local overland and overseas that means local in a state itself and state to other state and overseas that means country to country okay they did the trade okay foreign trade there Tamilagam they enjoyed the period of that period in doing the foreign trade okay and Tamilagam people was a great seafarers also. Okay. Whereas for storing their goods were built along the coast. Okay, that means warehouse means கிடங்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. அதாவது பார்த்திங்கன்னா என்னென்னா நம்மளோட பொருள்களை வந்துட்டு ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கிறதுக்கான கிடங்கு, அதை தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா வேர் ஹவுஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ அந்த பீரியட்லேயே கோஸ்டல் ஏரியாவில் வேர் ஹவுசஸ் ஆர் தேர். ஓகே, ஸோ they kept goods on that. Okay, the chief forts had light houses, okay, which were called kalangarai, ilangu, sudar, kalangarai, ilangu, sudar, they were called. Now we are calling it kalangarai vilakkam. Okay, caranas of merchants carried their merchandise in different places. That means merchants, businessmen carried their business in different place. Okay, in oxen driven carts. After that oxen driven carts எருது பூட்டிய வண்டியில் வந்துட்டு அவங்க ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு போய் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, ட்ரேடு பண்ணாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்திங்கன்னா their barter system was prevailed. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் barter system வந்துருச்சு. ஸோ barter system was utilized on that period. Okay, so there were two kinds of market and bazaars in the leading cities. Okay, so that is like Puhar and Madurai, that is the bazaar cities. Bazaar means whatever things we need it, everything buy it in one place, that is called bazaar. Okay, so in Madurai there were Nalangadi and also Alangadi, that means evening bazaar and also there morning bazaar also there. Nalangadi means morning bazaar. Okay, Alangadi means evening bazaar. Evening bazaar will be in night time also. Okay, so in this markets large varieties of quantity of goods, varieties of and quantities of goods are kept it for the sold and people are purchased over here. Okay, on that major ports are Mussoorie, Tondi and Kotkai are the major ports on that period. Okay, then main exports on that period is salt, pepper, pearls and ivory na tandam. Okay, silk, spices, karam, spices and diamonds, saffron, kungumapoo, precious stones, muslin ன்றது ஒரு கிளாத்துக்கான சாஃப்ட் கிளாத். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் முஸ்லின். Then sandalwood, this and all we are exported here to other countries. So main imports are tobacco, tin, wine, glasses and horses. This and because later only we have got a knowledge about horses. Okay, so we are imported the horses also from there. Okay, other country. So in trade condition in overseas countries, archaeological excavation, the trading relation between Tamilagam and countries of Tamilagam have trade with. Archaeology excavation means தொல்பொருள் ஆராய்ச்சியாளர்கள். ஓகேவா, ஸோ அவங்க வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா அவங்களோட ஆராய்ச்சியில் தமிழகம் பார்த்திங்கன்னா நிறைய ஆராய்ச்சி, அதாவது பார்த்திங்கன்னா நிறைய கண்ட்ரியோட ட்ரேட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா, ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த பிளேஸஸ் தே ஹாவ் ட்ரேட் மீன்ஸ் தமிழகம் வித் கிரீஸ், ரோம், எஜிப்ட், சைனா, சவுதி and East Asia and Sri Lanka and all, they did the trade on that period. Okay, so toward of the end of the 3rd century the Sangam period slowly went to a decline. Sangam period என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா கலப்ராஸ் பீரியட்ஸ் நார்த்லேருந்து நம்மளை வந்து ரூட் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சோன்னே நம்மளோட சங்கம் பீரியட் வந்துட்டு முடிவுக்கு வந்துடுச்சு. ஓகேவா, ஸோ அந்த சங்கம் பீரியட் வந்துட்டு முடிவுக்கு வரும்போது சங்கம் பீரியட் வந்து கலப்ராஸ் நம்மளை வந்துட்டு ஆக்குபை பண்ணோன்னே சங்கம் பீரியட் முடிவுக்கு வந்து டிக்ளைன் ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சுது. ஓகே, ஸோ தே லெஃப்ட் தியர் ஆர்ட் அண்ட் மொமெண்டம். ஸோ என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா நம்ம பீப்புள் வந்துட்டு நிறையா ஆர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் மொமெண்டம்ஸ் நம்மளுக்கு விட்டுட்டு போயிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, so lots of literary texts also they have left it for us. Okay, so little source of that period is நாவலர் சரித்தை and யாப்பெரும் களம் பெரிய புராணம் சீவக சிந்தாமணி குண்டலகேசி were also written on that period. Okay, so in Sangam period. In Tamilagam, Jainism, Buddhism became prominent on this period. Okay, that also came on Kalabara period. Next, introduced the Sanskrit language and Prakrit language as a result, because Buddhism came, so Prakrit also came to Tamil Nadu also, and introduced that language on here also. Okay, many works of literature and grammar is given in Padinankil Kanakku were completely given up the Tamil. How was the Tamilagam? And trade and commerce continued to flourish in those period. During that period also, it is trade and commerce was flourished in that period. Okay, so the Kalabara is not a dark age; it is a portrayed only. So Kalabara period is not only a dark age. This is the important period also when they are ruled in the Tamil Nadu. That period also one of the important period only, because that period also the Kalabara is also given the importance to the literatures. Okay, so thank you girls. Next class we will continue in next class. Okay, thank you.